Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Razer Aether Light Bulb and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this light bulb is not connecting to something, if it's not syncing or pairing with the app or to Wi-Fi, or if it seems to be not responding, anything where it's not working, if it's not turning on right, a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is actually you're going to need to do this if you want to set this up on a new device. And you just want to get a fresh start by wiping everything off of it. We're going to go ahead and do this factory reset so that we can just start fresh like it's a brand new bulb coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is with our light bulb installed, we're just going to add the light switch. We're just going to turn it on and off 4 times in 1 second intervals. So we'll go on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. And after that 4th one, you'll just turn it on a 5th time and leave it on. And then if you've done this right, you'll see the light bulb briefly cycle through the colors. It'll go red, blue, green, and then white. That means the reset has been completed, and then you can go ahead and set this light bulb up like a brand new light bulb.